Hey guys, going to be showing you how we're going to do a mohawk-like kind of style. Let me turn her around so y'all can see. Did her retightening coming down here, and then I locked the other ones going up, just so I can separate and get that mohawk line. Same thing, we have the hair lock going up and then just these coming down. So we're going to be braiding this going back. The easiest way that I find works for me is separating what I'm not working with. So I'm going to make sure that these are not in my way. And since I'm going to be doing 2 at a time, I want to clip these away, like so. And I can just work with these ones. I'm going to take these, right? There's 2 locks, cross them over. Cross again. Now I'm going to take the top one, cross it over. Take the bottom, cross it over. It's pretty easy, y'all. And you just keep going. So because I don't want it to just end right here, I'm going to bring it one more time over with these. So I'm going to cross this and then cross that. Now the last one that I used to cross, I'm going to go around and make a loop through the back and pull. So for the mohawk part, we just pin it in place so we can have it coming forward. I'm going to do the same thing for the other side, and then we will show you guys the finished look. Here is the finished look. What y'all think? Our faux mohawk with some fringes in the front. Anniversary 1 year. Sisterlocks.